Okay, the next thing we want to talk about with sitting exercises is going to be basic movements. Okay, all of the basic movements. I'm only going to show you 3 right now, the basic movements, but we're going to talk about rising and falling. So make sure you don't have a table in front of you or anything that's going to obstruct any movements. But if you're able to, here's the other beautiful thing about Tai Chi and Qigong especially, is that you don't have to worry about whether you can move this way or move that way. If you can move just this much, that's fine. If you can move your arms all the way up, that's good too, okay? So don't go past your limits, only do what you're capable of doing. But what we're gonna be doing is called preparatory form or rising and falling. There's a number of names for this exercise, but basically what we're doing is rising our arms up and falling. But we're never going to do it like a robot. We're never going to be like this, rising, falling, rising, falling. We're doing it with our breath, okay? So from the side, we're standing. It's going to be looking like this. So we're breathing in and breathing out. So you'll see that my arms are like a wave, right? Not too wavy, but we're relaxing. So we're breathing in and breathing out. And there's always a martial arts aspect to it too, where we're blocking and we're slapping a kick or a punch down, right? But we're not worried about that right now. We're coordinating our breathing, nice and gentle. So we're going up, we're breathing in, feeling our body, and down. Now here's some key points with rising and falling, is that make sure that you're allowing your arms to fly or float, okay? So you ever notice that birds in nature, they tend to fly, but they don't exert themselves. They don't have stiff necks and stuff. See, they're relaxing. They know exactly how to move, and that's how I want you to move when you're in your chair. So gracefully and beautifully, rising and falling while you breathe out. This is a beautiful, beautiful form right there in your chair. Breathing in, breathing out. Rising and falling is a beautiful exercise. Anybody can do it of all ages. And while you're doing this, I want you, and again, if you can only do it slowly in small movements, that's okay too. But just coordinate it with your breathing. And what you're going to notice is that your pain, if you're having any pain, it's going to relax. You're going to be going from a 10 to a 9 to an 8, or a 7 to a 6 to a 5. You're coordinating, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Very beautiful. Breathing in and breathing out. Rising and falling. It's a beautiful exercise. Anybody can do it. Okay, so the next movement we're going to talk about is parting clouds. So standing Qigong, one of the Qigong 18 form, it's called Shiba Shi 18 form, is going to be parting clouds. So it's going to look like this, where we're crossing our hands and we're parting clouds that are up above us here. So we're parting the clouds, okay? But we're going to be doing it from a chair. So this is parting clouds, Qigong or Tai Chi form from a chair. And pretend that you have clouds up here, right above you, these cute little puffy clouds. And we're reaching up, we're crossing our hands if you can, and if you have to move the clouds down here, that's okay. But we want to reach up and part the clouds and drop. We're going to reach up, cross our hands, part the clouds and drop. Now remember, we're coordinating our breathing, okay? It's like relaxation and motion. So we're breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in, we're gathering energy down here. So we're coming around with our hands, we're gathering and bringing in the energy, breathing in. So I'm gathering it up, and we're crossing and parting the clouds beautifully down. See, we're breathing out, right? We're gathering, breathing in, and breathing out. We're gathering, breathing in, and we're relaxing. So everything you do with these exercises is all going to be coordinated with your relaxation, with your breathing, and with gentle, beautiful motion. Okay, so we're breathing out, breathing in, and we're breathing out. We're parting the clouds, parting the clouds. Very simple exercise. Anybody can do, but seated Qigong, it's a beautiful, beautiful exercise that you can do, and I thank you for doing this along with me.